Aloha, this is David Viviano, Executive Chef at the Fairmont Orchid. I am pleased to bring you into my kitchen today, and I'm going to teach you a very special recipe, what I like to call a sweet treat. And it is inspired by New Orleans cuisine. I'm absolutely infatuated with Cajun food. So we're taking Bananas Foster, what they are known for, and we are adding some special ingredients that are solely Hawaiian. We have apple bananas, we have pineapple, of course, there's going to be mac nuts later, coconut sorbet, so all sorts of just wonderful tropical Hawaiian ingredients. So I've got some butter melting already. It's about a quarter cup here, as you can see. And what we're going to add is some brown sugar. And if I recall correctly, it's about 2/3 of a cup. So we'll put the brown sugar in there. And then we want to have this on medium heat. So not too high. We don't want our sugar to burn. And we're going to kind of incorporate this in here as well. And what is kind of the signature ingredient of Bananas Foster other than rum? So we have rum here. You can use dark rum, you can use light rum. I only have light rum at home, so that is what I am using. So we're going to put a little rum in here. Oh, listen to that sizzle. And of course, for Bananas Foster, to give the effect, you got to flame it. So there we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's the highlight. Used to this kind of table side. Woo! Good thing I got my fire alarms, the batteries out in here, because this might be going off. But that's beautiful. There you go. It's bubbling. That is gorgeous. That's what you want. As soon as it starts to bubble, what you're going to do next is actually we got to add a little bit of vanilla. So we're going to add our vanilla in here. We're going to add a touch of cinnamon. And if it's getting too hot, just pull it off the flame. And it'll just calm down there as you put in the rest of your ingredients. So we have our vanilla in there. We put a little cinnamon, and now it's time to add our beautiful tropical fruit we have here. So we're going to put our apple bananas in here, much smaller than the normal bananas you might be used to. They're floral, they're gorgeous, they're delicious. We'll put pineapple in there, of course. We're in Hawaii, we need pineapple. And now it's going to mix all those beautiful things together. And at this point, you're going to just allow this to cook on medium heat for probably about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, or until your fruit starts to get soft. And then what you're going to do is finish your dessert. So a very simple dessert, something you can do at home. We're using coconut sorbet from Tropical Dreams, which is a local company here in Hawaii. So we're going to put a little scoop of this here. And I have this already made, so we'll kind of use this beautiful rum sauce I've already made here. We'll put one banana here. And I got another one, we'll just throw there. Have fun with it, plate however you like. Those beautiful pineapples over the top. Don't be shy with the rum sauce, it's absolutely delicious. I've got some beautiful dried bananas here from one of my cooks as well. Thank you, Maria. Add another element here, so we've got the cooked banana, we've got some dried bananas as well. And then to finish it off, mac nuts. Another Hawaiian staple. These are from the Hamakua coast here. And then finally, let's get some beautiful edible flowers we have from EO Farms, and we will call it a day. So I need to call my kids here because I promised them dessert, and it's time to have, like I said, that wonderful sweet treat. And here we go. This is Banana Foster, tropical Hawaiian style. Mahalo, enjoy.